In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, normality is just a word.
A ray of hope.
Normality goes beyond physical capabilities. It's a fact proven by Andre Coleman of Olympic Way in Kingston, a 15-year-old with aspirations and a confidence tenfold his height, treading through life one hand at a time.
I love football because it's the best sport in the world.
Andre suffers from a birth defect, which renders his legs useless. But to Andre, he's normal.
If you tell him that he's disabled or anything like that, it make him feel a way.
A day for Andre starts at 4 a.m. And according to his caretaker and sister, Kenisha Coleman, he does everything for himself.
The day starts 4:30. Wake him up. He bathes himself. I press his uniform. He puts it on himself. He put on him crest, him everything. Socks, everything. He go into his little chair that's outside and we push him up the road. He goes to school by himself. He takes normal transportation. He goes to 3 miles, come off of the bus, take another bus to Afro 3, to the transport center, take something to Mona.
Andre attends the Mona High School. He was offered a place at an institution for the disabled, but he turned it down.
I grew up with normal people. I'm not used to the disabled students, so I like to communicate with normal people.
Though not able to use his legs, Andre spends a lot of time playing football. It's more than a game to him.
One day I want to be like a legend like Messi because he motivates me a lot. Football reminds me about I always want to win, never give up. I always try to make my team be the best team.
Andre have a lot of friends that is the leader.
Him love him school. So him and one of them show that the cripple in the world can do things.
He would love to participate in the Paralympics, but his dream is to be a computer engineer.
I will say to the persons who are disabled, you're special. They can reach anything that they want to be, to do anything that they're comfortable with. They're normal.
They deserve to be cared for, not to just take them and throw them into a home. Send them to school, let them get an education. You don't know at the end of the day what they might come out to.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.
A ray of hope.